was normal, but after this giant yellow rash broke out across half of her face one night, we rushed her to the hospital. It was the middle of the night and the doctor barely looked at her for more than a minute before saying that it must be a reaction to some sort of detergent. I wanted to grab the doctor and tell him to take a better look, but my wife seemed satisfied and just wanted to get out of the emergency room with our newborn. After we got the baby to sleep that night, we had our very first fight about her mom. I told her how I thought it was suspicious that our daughter was getting sick out of nowhere after her mom had moved in, and my wife was pissed that I would accuse her mom of trying to hurt our kid. I tried telling her that it was the only thing that made sense and that we at least needed to question her and ask if she was doing anything to our baby that we didn't approve of. But my wife was hearing none of it and literally slammed the bathroom door in my face when I tried to continue the conversation. I just walked over to my crying daughter and rocked her as I cried my own angry tears. It was only 2 days after that we were woken up in the middle of the night by my daughter's choked cries. I will be hearing that sound echoing until the day I die. It was the most terrifying noise I had ever heard. We woke up to it sounded like wet gargling coming from my baby's crib and rushed over to find her having a full-on seizure. Seeing her little body convulsing like that almost broke my sanity right there and then, but we managed to rush her to the hospital. And this time I demanded the doctors run every test possible on her. Well, the staff actually listened